Dr. Jenks.
Play math. I Broke My Trunk by Willems. I'm not seeing Gerald today. Why? Gerald, what happened to your trunk?
I broke my trunk.
How did you break your trunk?
It is a long, crazy story.
Tell it! Tell it!
Well, I was playing with Hippo. Then I had an idea. I wanted to lift Hippo onto my trunk.
Why?
Because...
Okay.
So, I lifted Hippo onto my trunk. But a hippo in your trunk is heavy.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No, there's more to my story. Then Rhino showed up. Rhino wanted a turn.
What did you do?
I lifted both of them onto my trunk. But a hippo and a rhino in your trunk are very heavy.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No, there's more to my story. Then Hippo's sister showed up.
Hippo has a sister?
A big sister.
Did she want to turn too?
Yes. She also wanted to play her piano. Two hippos, one rhino, and a piano in your trunk are very, very heavy.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No.
This is a long, crazy story. Gerald? How did you break your trunk?
Well, I was so proud of what I had done that I ran to tell my very best friend about it. But I tripped and fell. And broke my trunk.
You broke your trunk running to tell me your story? That is a crazy story. That is a funny story. I want to tell someone your crazy story.
Piggie, what happened to your snout?
It is a long, crazy story. The end.
Thanks for watching Play Math. To read more stories, please subscribe to this channel. See you next time!